Ready to dive into your next gaming adventure on Origin, but want to use the ease and security of PayPal? Well, you're in luck. This video will walk you through the simple steps of buying games on Origin using PayPal in under 90 seconds. First, browse the Origin store and find the game you're eager to play. Click on the game's image to view its details. On the game's page, you'll find all the information you need, including the price and system requirements. If you're ready to buy, click the Add to Cart button. This will take you to your shopping cart. Review the items in your cart to make sure everything is correct. Then, click the Proceed to Checkout button. Now, you're on the checkout page. Here, you'll see several payment options. Locate and select PayPal as your preferred method. A new window will pop up, prompting you to log into your PayPal account. Enter your PayPal email address and password. Then click Login. Next, PayPal will display the transaction details. Review the purchase amount and make sure everything looks accurate. If you have multiple payment methods linked to your PayPal account, you can choose which one to use for this purchase. Finally, click the Confirm or Pay Now button on the PayPal page to complete the transaction. Once the payment is processed, you'll be redirected back to Origin, where you'll see a confirmation message and be able to download your new game. Enjoy!